YouTube के ऊपर, ओके। तो मेरी स्क्रीन उधर शेयर हुई है, आई विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग। कौन सा बंदा है जो ये एक्सेप्ट करेगा कि मैं अगर इंग्लिश में बात करना स्टार्ट कर दूं तो उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्लीज मुझे बताएं, क्योंकि मेरा जो यूट्यूब वाला चैनल है वो बेसिकली इंग्लिश है, वहां पे ज्यादातर सब्सक्राइबर्स जो हैं वो इंग्लिश हैं, सो मैं चाहता हूं कि उनको भी थोड़ी सी इंसाइट मिले। ओके जी, किसी ने कहा जी, आई हैव अ 3-bed फ्लैट इन ग्रीन और ग्रीन और स्ट्रीट लंदन, is it best to list full flat or per room? Entire property is always better, guys. Entire property is always better. You only do room by room if the property is a big property. Like for example, if it's 10 bedroom, 12 bedroom property, then you would do room by room because you would make more money through room by room service rather than if property is smaller, maybe 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom property है, flat है या house है, the best thing is to do it as an entire house or flat or entire space. Reason being, people would book like friends, group of friends, family will book your apartment and they are willing to pay much more than an individual room will get for you. Okay, so what about Reddit? Reddit is very good area, guys. Reddit is very good area. Suggest some for rinse and repeat. Come on. Okay, rinse and repeat. Basically, about rinse and repeat day trade, you don't look at usual stocks. Yeah, what you do is you go on scanners. I'm not sure if your broker provides scanner, but my broker, almost every broker has top gainers and scanner. Okay, so what you do is come on your laptop every morning and look for top gainers. Okay, top gainers of that day, pre-market, and then obviously there would be always a one gainer which has gapped up during pre-market, and of course if you pick that up and see if that breaks out pre-market high, if it does, then that's a trade for you. Always look for volume. Volume is very important, and obviously volume generates momentum, and momentum is very important to pick maybe 5, 10, 20% move from that 100% or 200% move, like we saw AM this this Friday. AM really took off. It really took off. Okay, so what you need to do is just come on. Yeah, so if you look at AM chart, it's very beautiful. So you would get every day, if you look at scanner, you would get at least one stock which will move like this. Look at this beauty. 40 cents, from 40 cents, it went all the way to $476, guys. That was about 1100% gain in just literally one day. Yeah, couple of hours, 3-4 hours. Okay, so from that 1000% gain, if you just capture maybe, I don't know, 15, 16, 20%, 30% on couple of trades, that's all you need on daily basis, and you would get these stocks every single day on the scanner. Yeah, and if you just pick the top gainer and see if other checklists, other parameters are fulfilling, just take the trade on that. Of course, there are so many other things to consider, but this is the main thing. To find these gainers early, scanner is the best place to look at. Where to list your property other than Airbnb? Okay, Nadeem bhai, Booking.com, Expedia, VRBO, and if you list on these platforms, your property will be listed over about 500 different OTAs. OTAs mean online travel agency, like Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia. So Booking.com and Expedia and Hotels.com, they have their own groups of websites, like Booking.com, Priceline, Lastminute.com is Booking.com, and Expedia, VRBO, Hotels.com, Trivago, this is Expedia group. So All in all, about 500 different websites your property will be listed. I make 100. Very good, mashallah. That's really good. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go through the messages. Okay, Tesla tomorrow bullish. Okay, let me quickly check. Guys, listen. The only thing is, I usually only try to analyze the market in general. So if I look at SPY today, and let me just quickly look at SPY, yeah, and SPY should turn around about 390. It should turn around. At the moment, it's not looking good, but if the rate hike is below 75 basis points, market will have a short rally. That rally will not last more than 3 to 4 weeks. That is it. That is going to be end of it. Okay. Then we will start seeing the longer trend, which we already have set the target, which is $322. $322 for SPY by end of March. That is our target. And I think, if you see SPY hitting 415, 420, that's where all these short positions are, and buy the puts or whatever you want to do. But that's where you take profit and run as far as you can from this market. That's my opinion. That is me who have analyzed this market, and I put lots of hours in it to analyze this. It's not looking very good, honestly. So the way market moves is you always see the actual aftershock after the Feds have pivot, which is basically is nowhere near at the moment. Maybe another 2 to 3 months or 4 months to go before the pivot. Okay, and if the rates stay at that higher level, it will really hurt the stock market. Eventually, you will see some bankruptcies, and that's where layoffs will start. If you've been in my Telegram group, you should know that I have already said it in July, end of July, and August, and again September, that end of year it will all start coming together. Coming together means the actual crash will start. People think that this is crash. This is not crash. Okay, crash is coming. Okay, further 20 to 30%, maybe 35%. Still to go. Okay, can you discuss about legal pack of auction properties, please? Okay, legal pack has contract, okay, contract of sale, and then there are searches. Searches are extremely important. You should check for mining report. You should check coal report, coal mining report. You should check soil report. There are other reports as well. And one more thing, very very important. In contract, always read the contract to detail. Reason being, there would be a small paragraph right at the bottom or somewhere in the middle, which will say that there are searches fees apply on this sale of probably £2,499 plus VAT. Then they would say the buyer will be responsible paying sellers legal fees of X amount, God knows, maybe, I don't know, 1,599 plus VAT. All right. Buyer to pay listing fees, buyers to pay searches fees. So they can mount up to, I don't know, maybe 10,000-12,000 pounds in some cases. One property, to our surprise, when we bought our Kingsnote property, we thought that we bought it for 96,000. We won the bid for 96,000 pound. It was third degree rundown property. I'll show you pictures in a bit. Only to find out later that there is another 11,400 pound to pay in different fees. So we closed the deal at 111,000 pound, all expenses in. But alhamdulillah, that property has paid off very well so far. So always be careful whenever you go in auction, or before you go in auction. Always do your due diligence. Make sure you have your numbers in front of you. Number one, there is a ceiling price in every single area. Yeah, make sure that you know that ceiling price. Okay, So for example, in an area, the ceiling price is 120,000 pounds, okay? And property bidding starts at 20,000 and it sells at, I don't know, maybe 90,000 pounds. But if you have to spend 30,000 pounds to bring it up to scratch, that means it's already gone to 120,000 cost, plus the legal fees, maybe 125,000 pounds. So when it comes to flipping it, you can't flip it because there is no profit. You are actually losing money on it. Because if the ceiling price is 120 and you have already spent 125, you will either be left with holding it for long unintentionally, even though I am always I always suggest people, once you have once you got hold of a property, never ever sell that property, no matter what. Don't sell a property. If you have acquired a property, property is not to be sold, guys. Always refinance or bring more people in to raise more funds to do another project. Selling is not the solution. Selling is very wrong strategy in property business. And the problem with our own community is that they don't like sharing profits with other people. They don't bring other people in business to raise funds. Instead, they would take a route, either they would sell or they would take hefty mortgages. And if for any reason business doesn't work, they end up losing their portfolio. That's not bad as long as you can manage your money properly. That's good. But the point is, most people don't know how to manage money, and that leaves them in a very problematic situation. So my suggestion would always be, let's say you bought a property for in auction 80,000 pound. You spent 20,000 pound on it to do it up. That's 100,000 all in. 80,000 was all in actually. Yeah, so 20,000 for refurb, all in, and end value probably, I don't know, if you gain capital, probably 120 if you get it revalued at 120. Rather than going mortgage route, what you can do, if that was your money in, what you can do is you can raise 100,000 pound against that property from a partner, joint venture partner, and move on to next project. Okay, look, there was one saying which changed my mind, that it is better to have 25% of 1 million pound than 100% of 100,000 pound. Look, it's okay to have smaller share in a large cap company than have a larger share in a micro cap company. Understand this, okay? Okay, hello Sira, how are you? I will see you soon to learn from you. Anu Baba, definitely anytime, my brother. Pakistani, what about Manchester M3? Manchester is beautiful area, very good area for serviced accommodation, guys. Thanks. Do you provide one-to-one mentorship for Airbnb? Yes, I do. Contact me. Just if you go on my bio and click the call button, it will give you my mobile number, which is directly here. Just send me WhatsApp message first, please, before you calling me. I would and explain maybe in an audio or a quick message that what is it regarding. All right. I'm guessing that you all have shared in Airbnb and are keeping an eye on the business. Yes. Kani, I'm not too sure. I am guessing that you all have shared in Airbnb and are keeping an eye on the business. Yes. I'm not sure. What's your question, Khan? Why? Please, could you please elaborate your question? Can you recommend another platform to list your property other than Airbnb? I have already answered that question. Okay, so you have properties listed on Airbnb. Yes, Airbnb, Booking.com, VRBO, Expedia, Hotels.com. There are so many websites we have listed, and we have our own listings as well. Can you discuss about legal? Okay, why am I going up and up? Are you still sure BTC will come at? I am 200% sure, guys. BTC will hit $10,000. $10,000 for sure. Unless some angels throw some money in BTC, that's another story. What do you recommend for 19, 20-year-old trading or serviced accommodation? Serviced accommodation first, but side by side, what you can do is serviced accommodation is a quick cash flow generating strategy. So if you start serviced accommodation, you can start cash flow within 3 to 4 months. Okay, that can actually make you financially free in 6 to 9 months. 6 to 9 months, serviced accommodation can give you at least £3,000 to £4,000 a month net income into your pocket. Okay, that's serviced accommodation. But what I would do is I would start serviced accommodation, start generating some money, and at the same time start learning stock market, or any financial market, be it forex, crypto, or options, futures, whatever it is, commodities. Learning this side of business, this industry is extremely powerful. Once you understand how stock market works or any financial market works, the possibilities are unlimited. Every other business in this world, you have dependencies. You have to depend on people, on suppliers, on products, on delivery companies, shipping companies, customer service, refunds, payments, all that stuff. You have to deal with all that stuff. Marketing, sales. But stock market, none of that. None of that. You read the news, you check the catalyst, you go about, maybe reading the chart. Obviously, calculation is very important, and you just take the trade. Whether it's swing trade, day trade, or investment, you would end up making money at some point if you spend enough time learning this thing. Stock market is extremely powerful. Are you still sure? Yes, I am pretty sure. CPI data expectations and Fed move. CPI data will be high, guys. CPI data will be high. If you go and watch my video when October data came and October data slowed down, I said this will not last. Next month it will be higher. So November CPI data, in my opinion, will be higher than October. Okay, CPI data expectations and Fed move, please. Fed move, personally 75 basis points. Majority of them saying 50 basis points, but for me it's 75 basis points. Naveed, by what you buying for next week, puts or calls? I will give my commentary. Sadiq bhai, please stay tuned in my student community group. I will give my commentary there. Okay. Brother, how to convince estate agent for subletting properties? Okay, very, very good question. How to convince landlords and estate agents to hand over their property to you? Okay, why would they give their property to you? What are you bringing on the table? Ask yourself this question. How can you make their life easier by taking their property? What problems are they facing today with ordinary tenancy, with a family or a group of boys? What problems are they facing with current tenancy system, which is AST, a short-term tenancy? And what you can fix with that? How can you help them come over that and, maybe reduce their stress? Give them solution. You should be solution to their problem. Okay. First job is to identify the problems. Okay. And then second job is to show them that you are the solution. Your company is the solution for their problem. Okay. So every landlord has pain points. Every estate agents have pain points. Find out those pain points and target those pain points. Okay. That is the shortest answer. I don't do CFDs, guys. I don't do CFD, guys. Wasim Mughal. Walaikum assalam. Wasim Mughal, kya haal hai? Theek hai? How are you doing? Forex is worth more. I'm not sure. I don't trade Forex. My students do. And I think they're doing pretty good. Cogent investor. Third quarter of 2023 will show positive signs of market recovery. Cogent investor, personally, end of Q1 2024. It's not going to be that quick fix, guys. Understand this. If Fed pivots around, maybe May, June, okay, then the actual effect will start. So the actual effect we see is by end of Q1 2023, and then it will keep going, and maybe 6 months, up to 6 months, and then start of 2024 and maybe end of 2024, Q1, we will see some uptrends. Bottom, yes, I would agree with you. 2023, end of 2023, we can start seeing some bottom. Maybe mid. It really depends how fast Fed reacts. Yes, and that is why they are safer than any other asset class. Fun house, single rooms, yes, you can do, but they're more stressful. Reason being, let's say you have 4 rooms listed on Airbnb, yeah, and you live far from your property, all right? And one guest checks out, you have to go, or you have to send a cleaner for that one guest to clear, so to clean that one room. But if you have entire house rented out and you're charging probably £200, so if they book for one night, you have £200 to yourself, and then you can send next morning a cleaner who will charge you £60 to clean that entire house. Maybe one room, they won't do it for less than £30. So you will be, well, you can get for one room, maybe, I don't know, £50, £60 per night, which I doubt it very much. We charge about 55 to £60 a night for a room by room, but we have 7 rooms in that property, and that property is working room by room because we have full-time staff for that property and in that area. Otherwise, if you have to outsource cleaning for one room, it is going to be very costly, especially laundry and clean is going to be very costly, guys. Okay, so the best thing is, if you want to increase your profitability and reduce stress, then entire property is always better. Total 31 studios, but half of them are empty now. Wow, okay. Brother Naveed, I have property near Birmingham city center inside the clean area zone. Khan bhai, is it on Airbnb or you rented it initially? You rented it on AST. Please get in touch. If you go on my bio, there is a call button. Click that. You will see my number. Save that number and WhatsApp me, and then I will get back to you. Please send me a message and I will get back to you. City center, yes, I would love to work with you. We can both help each other in so many ways. So please get in touch. If you have 31 studios in city center, I would definitely request you to contact me, please. Okay, we can definitely exchange some value here for sure. Can somebody tell me how many people are watching me? Because I have a static number which shows 99 people. It cannot be just 99 people. I'm not sure why it's just showing 99 people. Is it delusional or something? Yeah, that's fine. That is absolutely fine. A fun house. It's a good. If you get C1 license, it is going to be good for revaluation. Okay, revaluation is always going to come up higher, because especially if you change your council tax to business rates, you will, and also you have C1 license, your property will be not residential anymore, but a commercial property, and commercial valuation will always be higher than residential, at least 20%. Okay, yeah, I think it's stuck there. The number is stuck there. It's fine. It's okay. No problem. Walaikum salam, Fiaz bhai. How are you doing? Long time no see. How's everything? So, guys, anybody who is watching me on YouTube, I am also live on TikTok. TikTok is again Trading 402 Urdu. URDU. Okay. Usually that content is in Urdu, but I requested these guys, generous guys, that if I could talk in English, even though my English is just so-so, but yes, I would love to give you guys some insight about the market and also what I do, especially serviced accommodation, property development, stock trading. So I thought, why not talk in English for you guys especially? So if you are enjoying or benefiting, not enjoying, but if this live stream is benefiting you in any way, shape or form, and it's giving you some ideas to do something about your life, then please don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. Let me know if you want to see a video I should make about something. If you do, then Please hit like button. Um, okay. Guess what, guys? This is funny. I have zero watchers on my YouTube live. Zero watchers. YouTube is just so tough nut, man. To crack YouTube code is difficult. Anyways, I would still keep talking to you guys. Chalo koi nahi. YouTube videos. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's good. How to get C1? C1 license isn't difficult if you have all the fire safety regulations. C1 is very easy to get. That's the only requirement you have, in my opinions, for C1. Recently, it might have changed, but please guide. I'll be great. Yes, Funhouse. C1 isn't difficult to get. All you need is fire safety regulation, and that's all. You're done. You're good to go. Oh. XRP is to accumulate, guys. XRP is to accumulate, not to trade. Accumulate. Teach me everything, bro. CR Kreza, I don't know. What's your insight for DXI? Dollar index. Yes, I haven't been monitoring dollar index. Let me quickly check. DXI. Okay, on 14th, if we see 75 basis points, that means dollar will shoot, guys. Dollar will shoot. Okay, there would be a strength for dollar. But if you look at all the volatility indexes, even VIX is almost lower. I said if VIX you see in $18, $19, it's a buy zone. Okay, go long calls, yeah, or buy calls, and it literally jumped from bounced from $18.95, and it went to $23. I'm in calls for VIX. I'm in calls for March 2023. March 2023, I have calls for VIX, guys, because I believe market is gonna go down. All right. Mara will struggle. I mean, do we need to make proper application to get C1 in my old houses? Has fire alarm, fire. Yes. Fire safety is extremely important. Fire safety is extremely important. Okay. I don't discuss shit, guys. Sorry, Zahir bhai. Zahir Akbar, I don't discuss shit. Sorry, no offense to you. Sorry, no offense to anybody. Sorry. Anybody who is Shib Inu or Shib lover, I'm sorry, guys. Dollar cost average, yes, Tesla is good, but in my opinion, in my very humble opinion, we should see Tesla by 2023 about $110, $120. $110, $120 by mid 2023. Okay, by mid 2023, $110 to $120, guys. Okay, $110, $120 very easily. Okay, GeoVX, these are all pump and dump stocks, guys. Most of them are scanner stocks. Anything which appears on scanner, 99% of them are pump and dump. If you don't take a decision on the day, you will regret. If you don't book your profits, you will regret for all those stocks. Like AMAM. Okay, let's look at it. AMAM. Okay, anything which appears on you call it, scanner. If you don't take decision on the day, you will regret. Okay, especially when it has gone to 1,000% or 2,000%. Okay, so it went to 481. Right now it's 356. 356. Okay, and I can see it going to $2 range. Okay, $2 range. If somebody bought it at the top thinking that it's to the moon, they must be crying right now. Okay, your money could be stuck. Yes, it can squeeze even further, right? But chances are it's going to go down to $2, maybe another spike, and then sell off slowly back to its original price, which is 40 cents. Okay, understand this. Which one was the other one? The other one was PH something. One second. It was PHVS. Let's go with that. PHVS. Okay. So it went from $3, $2.75 or something, went to $12 something, $12.33, and then now it's at $8.50, and it's gonna sell further, probably $5 range before it spikes up again. Okay, so always understand. According to analysts on Trading View, GOVX will go to $5 in 1 year. Wow. Price targets, please, 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 please. Don't go with price targets. These analysts, they are all BS. They're all BS. Okay? 80% of Goldman Sachs analysts, their targets fail. All right? So please, I beg you, don't look at those analyst targets. I'm telling you, don't look at those targets. All right? They are all BS. GOVX. Let's look at it. Maybe they are right. Let's look at it. GOVX. No volume. I don't know. I don't know why. How can it go to $5 something? I don't know if there is something in pipeline which is going to make it go that far. But other than that, it's going down, guys. It's going down to 60 cents. Maybe below. During this run, maybe below. Let me look at this chart. I doubt it very much $5, guys. Short squeeze can happen anytime, any day. Short squeeze can take it to $20. Okay? But I'm not sure. If you want to take the risk, maybe maximum $710. Maximum $700 is $500. If you are rich enough, if you have, let's say if you have $10,000 in your brokerage account, buy only 1,000 shares of GOVX. If you must buy, if you don't want to miss that move, no more than 1,000 shares. No more than that's what I would do. All right, unless you are 100% sure that there is something in pipeline which is going to materialize in stock price, or there is short squeeze. I can't check right now whether there is a possibility of short squeeze. Let me quickly actually check. You never know. You brought it to my attention. Let me quickly check. By you. So if I go, let's go here. GOVX. I'm looking at free data, guys. GOVX. Dog, latest news. Finance. Accept. Stats. No. Okay. It's showing, the float is showing 26 million. I don't know. Maybe yes, if there is influx of volume coming in, but short percentage is only 1.59. Only 1.74 million shares as of prior month 30. So this is very old data. I'm not sure why it's not updating, but anyways, I don't know. If you know something, please mention here. that what makes you think that it will go to $5.40? Um, I I doubt that very much. Okay. All right. For daily trades, guys, you only need maximum $1,000, no more than 1,000. Okay. You you don't need more than $1,000. ज़्यादा पैसे का मतलब ये नहीं you will make more money. It does not mean that you trade with larger amounts and you will make more money. That's even dangerous. I always give an example of a truckload of probably, I don't know, 500 bags of flour. Yeah, and it's a big truck, all right? And you have never driven a car in your entire life. You haven't even sat in a car in your entire life, okay? And if I give you the key for that truck loaded with 500 bags of flour and ask you to drop it to 500 different doors in the city, in a very busy city, all right? In a busy city, maybe London, okay? London. If I ask you to drop that on 500 bags to individual 500 doors, okay? Can you answer the question, what are the chances that you will smash the truck somewhere within 5 minutes or 10 minutes of you driving? Please answer this question. Chances are 100%. 100%, okay? But if I ask you if you have ever ride a bike and I ask you to please do 500 trips on bike carrying one bag of flour and drop it to these 500 doors. Go take one bag, put it back on back seat, drop it to one door, come back, take another one, then go back, deliver it. 500 trips. Yes, it will take you more trips, but what are the chances that you will be able to complete that job? Higher chances, right? Exactly that. So what you do is you do rinse and repeat. With that $1,000, all you do is pick 2%, 5%, 10% trades, 20% trades, okay? And accumulate those gains, all right? Keep going. Take 10, 15 trades a day, make 10, 20, 30 cents on those trades and accumulate those gains. That is the only way forward. There is no other way, guys. There is no other way. If you buy and sit in front of laptop or computer thinking that it will make 100% or 200% move right in front of your eyes, yes, it can happen, but don't rely on it. That will happen only once in a week or once in a blue moon. But 20 cent, 30 cent move, you can pick daily basis. On daily basis, there would be moves which will give you 20, 30 cents, right? Simple formula. There is no other formula. Even if you know zero technical knowledge, if you have zero technical knowledge, not zero, maybe 10% technical knowledge, and you have a right attitude towards trading, you can still be successful, right? Trading is not about just technical knowledge. Actually, it's not about technical knowledge. You cannot be profitable if you just rely on technical knowledge, okay? You can't be profitable. There is no way you can be profitable, okay? Smart money concepts. Smart money concepts. Smart money is the money. There is no other money. Okay, dumb money is just to hand over the money to them, to smart money, okay? I don't know about your smart money concepts. This is first time I have come across to this term smart money concept. Let's search it on Google Baba. Smart money concepts. Okay. Smart money refers to the capital that is. Yeah, smart money is obviously smart money is smart money. Of course, we know all the big guns, institutions, hedge funds, banks. They are all smart money. Are you live thereby, bro? How to make money from money? How to make money from money? Money makes money. Yes, of course, it's probably the easiest way to make money. If you have money, you can make money for sure. Property. If you have money, property, 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 property. Money, property is directly equivalent to money. Yeah, property is the most powerful and the largest asset class. Largest asset class and safest asset class, I would say. Are you live there by live there? Are you live there? Are you live there? Are you live there? What is it? Are you live there? Yes. NHS land, yes. I don't know where it. I want to transfer property to my brother. What's the best and cheapest way? Is it for nil consideration? If it's nil consideration, your solicitor will advise you the best way. Nil consideration, yes, you can transfer, but they have to pay, I think, stamp duty if they fall under stamp duty. I think, I'm not too sure, because we did a nil consideration recently on one of our plot of land, uh, and but we did not incur stamp duty on that. I've seen your videos always. Thank you very much, NHS Lane. Thank you. Yep, I have money. If you have money, use it to make more money. Too much problem with property business. I always have few rental. Rental is for lazy asses. Sorry, no offense to you. Rental is very old. Okay, rental is dead. As a landlord, you are doomed. You have no prospect. You have no business left anymore as a landlord. I am not a landlord. I am an entrepreneur. I am a hotelier, you can say. I am serviced accommodation operator. I have property. I don't give it to tenants. I have executives, commercial people, contractors, and all those people come and stay with us. Okay, highly paid people. Okay, so they pay us £400 a night, £500 a night, 700. I just showed you one of the nights, £741 a night. All right. So, in Birmingham, in that area, 700, £800, you can get a house for a whole month. Right. But we got £741 for one night stay. One night stay, guys. One night. Right. Only weekends, Friday, Saturday. Okay. 8 days of reservations, £4,300 a month. Come on. Why give control to tenants? Yes, it is good. Shakil by Blackpool is very good. So what to do? What to do? I'm in USA. USA is very good for serviced accommodation, for stocks, everything. USA is just land of opportunities, guys. Any short-term, low-cap stock to invest this week? Mansoor Baig, don't invest in low caps, please. Don't invest in low caps. Okay, if you want to take trades, take day trades on low caps. Okay, micro caps are only for day trade, guys. In, out, make your money, run. Suppose if I buy an apartment in Milan city and I start Airbnb, it is good option or bad? Very good option. Milan is very, very good, guys. Top of the range. How's Blackpool? Already answered that. Very good. How can we do that? Can you explain? Yeah, simple. Have a property. Make sure you bring it up to scratch. Like really do it up nicely. Let me show you one of our properties. One of our properties. So let me show you if I could. So this is one of our properties. which is okay, guys. Anyways, you get the idea, right? You get the idea what this is about, right? This is one of our properties, and okay, it's 11 o'clock. I will be here until 11:30, guys. 11:30. If you have any more questions, please do ask, and I will. So, Salam Naveed bhai, any knowledge about cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is in demand, guys. High in demand. I don't have direct knowledge, but yes, it's in demand. But agar aap, if you learn blockchain, I personally feel that you will be in more demand than cybersecurity. Don't underestimate blockchain. Don't mix two things. Yeah, blockchain is ocean and crypto is just one. Cryptocurrency is just one grain of the sand which is basically on the shore of that ocean. Yeah, blockchain is something bigger than the crypto itself. All right, 99% crypto projects are scam, but blockchain isn't scam. You cannot undo blockchain now. What the beast you have revealed, or what you call it, unleashed, the beast which has been unleashed, you cannot undo that beast, and that beast is blockchain. Crypto is just tiny dot in that blockchain thing. Okay, the world will not run without blockchain, guys. Understand this. I want to join your course, bro. Bila, yes, why not? Inshallah, definitely contact me on WhatsApp. If you go on bio and there is a call button, if you go on bio, you will see a call button. Just press that button and you will see my number. Let me show you. So if you go on my bio like this, you will see my bio like this. Okay, and you see that button, call and email button right here. Call and email. Okay, just click the call button. If I click the call button now, there is my number appearing. Okay, I can't show it right here, but you can basically, you get the idea. Go on my bio, click that call button. It will show you my number. Save that number and message me on WhatsApp, and then I will obviously answer your questions if you have any. The recorded with mentorship is on offer. Just let me, obviously, asked, and it's my obligation to inform you guys that the recorded course with mentorship access, my live sessions access, is on offer right now, 599, and I think that offer is not to be missed. Very soon, this offer will be reverted back to 50%, which was original £699. It will go back to probably in today's 11th, maybe by end of this month you will see 699, or maybe I will just simply remove the offer completely. But if you want to take benefit of this offer, by all means, either contact me on WhatsApp or just go on the link which is in the bio again. If you go on bio, and there is a website link right here, just click that link and say you can just simply join there. Yeah, just go on the bio, on my bio, and link is there. For stock trade, which good exchange in Europe? Europe, if you have small account, less than $25,000 account, then Trade Zero is the best broker and platform, guys. If you go with Zero Pro, they will charge you $59 a month, but you have Zero Free, which is again free. So again, I think GOVX, it's a no for me. No for me. SPY, guys, again, I'm just gonna quickly do a brief check. What we can see in coming months is this right here. Let me show you. So we can see it in this range here, guys. Okay, right here. Oh, 320 is my target. 320 just after COVID. This is a COVID dump, COVID sell-off, and after COVID, when it basically recovered, that's the area I would be looking for. This is the area established support here. So this is the area I will be looking for next leg down. Maybe next leg down we can see 337 or something like that. But again, my target is this 320, 325, 320, 325. That is my target from now till end of March. That is our target. And as you know, when SPY, basically when the S&P 500 goes down, it literally drags the entire market down. Okay. Yes, next week. Next week is busy week, guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Important days. Important days. Keep an eye on market, guys. Okay. Prepare for any eventuality. I am thinking to clear my positions. Just there are two positions which are in loss, and I'm thinking to Bitcoin boom. Really, I don't know. Maybe maximum $18,600. That would be the top during this rally. And this rally will not last very long. If and only if Fed increases 50 basis point. If it's 75 basis point, then the dump will already start, and my opinion, 75 basis point. Okay, the dump will start, and we can start seeing the next leg down, which is 320. Let me increase the range, 320 to 330, guys. Okay, 320 to 330. That's our target. If it comes between in between that area, 320 to 330, it's a buy zone. Okay, buy zone for another bear market rally, which can, I'm not sure how long it will take, but if it takes to mid 2023, that could be the bottom. But again, from this point onward, at least 20% drop, 20 to 30% drop, guys. Okay, at least 20 to 30% drop. For us to see sunlight or silver lining for long-term positions, like by end of 2025, 2026, long-term positions. If you want to take long-term positions, either DCA now or wait for that dump to come and then start buying. From Italy, can't get your mobile number in your bio. The mobile number is you can go on website. Just click the link on the web on bio. There is a link. Yeah, just click that link, and number is halfway through. My mobile number is halfway through. WhatsApp number, and also if you see top corner, there would be a WhatsApp icon on the website trading402.com/offer, trading402.com/offer. If you go there, the number is the WhatsApp icon is there, and number will be somewhere down there. Okay. What is this channel about? This channel is about making money, stock market, crypto market, property investing, serviced accommodation, almost everywhere. So what about BTC is coming? Haroon bhai, yes, 100% BTC, $10,300, and we will see that number. What do you teach? I teach stock market, serviced accommodation, property development, and all that shit. Bro, I lost a lot of money in stock and crypto. Majority do before you really turn profitable, and that takes time and learning. A lot of learning. I don't know. Some people don't learn. They're not willing to join somebody. They're not willing to pay somebody, and they're not willing to read books. Again, book. This book. One book can change your life. Just one book. Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas. Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, guys. One book can change your life. One book can change your life. Okay? I assure you, if you read this book and understand this book, this is it. This is for everything. This is for financial markets, guys. This is not just stocks, options, crypto, whatever. You can trade almost any. If you see, look, let me go through this. Yeah, you will hardly see any chart here. Yeah, you will hardly see any chart here. Okay, because this is some serious shit. Okay, I don't use these words often, but today I feel like using this word shit. Okay, because this is serious. This is serious. But problem is most people don't want to read. You read this book, you're on your way. You don't need any course. Mine or Ross Cameron or S&P Capital. No matter what. You don't need any course. If you read this book and understand this book, trust me, you will not need any course. According to Stan Chart, analyst, Bitcoin will go to 5,000 in 23, says Coin Market Cap. Yeah, I am with that opinion. Very much with that opinion. But my bottom is 10,300. Yes, I recently changed my opinion because new data has come out, and I can say that it can go below $10,000, guys. It can go below $10,000. Okay, but 10,300 is always on the table. It has been on the table for past 5 months. Check my videos. Go back 5-6 months. You will see these videos. There are spreading fear. There. Oh, it's why would they spread fear? What have they got to gain for driving the market down? Ask yourself this question. That why would they drive the market down to I don't understand this. For them, we are insignificant. We are nobody. Who are we? We have peanuts in our pockets. We have nothing. All right? Why would they drive the market down for us? They won't do it. Okay? It's the reset, but it has to be done. Inflation is double digit, guys. Understand this. Yeah? And credit has built to a point where if there is a 4 trillion money in US, the debt is 67-68 trillion dollar. Understand this, yeah? So it's just crazy amount. Someone has to pay that money. That programming is no good. They will buy. So why don't you buy the bottom? Buy the bottom. If you think they are, you see, I don't like this opinion. I know some Pakistani influencers trying to tell you that somehow, big guns are conspiring against the Kide Mukode. Okay? We are Kide Mukode in front of them. Honestly, we are Kide Mukode in front of them. Yeah. So for some reason, they are sitting down in their, multi-billion worth of offices and thinking, oh, these, like tiny creatures, yeah, who have zilch in their pockets. Okay, they're using their credit cards to buy stock. They drive Corsa, or they have no car at all. Let's not help them buy the bottom. Who are you? Who are we? Why would they conspire against us? Question. I want to ask question there. To people who really try to tell you that they are doing this to really put you out of the market. Don't get out of the market. Don't need to get out of the market. If you have money, stay in market. Simple. Don't let them take the action. That's what I'm saying to you. So your mistake was that you listened to those idiot TikTokers who kept saying to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Every other day, every single day, I was getting these videos. We will land to the moon. We will get rich together. Fulana Tamkana. I don't want to name those people, and you know how those people were, who those people were. And they have, I don't know where they are these days. Okay? They want us to stay poor and blah, 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 blah. Yeah? And they made you buy at the top. They knew shit. They knew jack. Okay? They didn't know how this financial system works. Right? Yeah, so don't listen to TikTokers, including me. And whenever I say something, the BTC 10,300, I give you my reason. I give you my reason. Okay? It's simple as that. I'm going to ask you one question. If 10 kg or 20 kg metal ball is falling from the sky, okay, and your roof is tiled roof, just tiles, rotten tiles, okay, rotten tiles, 20 years rotten tiles, yeah, what are the chances that the ball will simply rip through those tiles and just fall on you? Tell me, what are the chances? That roof is your economy, right? The stock market is that ball, or crypto market, or financial market, okay? Understand this, guys, yeah? The economy is crumbled. There is so much money printed, and the debt has been mounting for 10 years, and especially last 3 years, it has mounted to record highs, historically highs. So how can you avoid it? How can you ignore this fact? Yeah. Look at the consumer data, consumer credit data. Look at the credit card utilization. Look at the mortgage debt. Yeah. Look at the leverage used. Why are you ignoring all these things? Why are you ignoring these things? Right? And on top, inflation. Now, interest rate. Yes, deliberate act to bring the inflation down, and it has to be done. Kashif, you can buy your local stocks, like start trading. I think KST, Karachi Stock Exchange. If you can't trade US stocks or UK stocks, start trading your local stocks. Yeah, help your local economy to boost. Put money in local companies. Why not? No, it's not good time to buy property, guys. Unless it's below market value, जिसको हम BMV बोलते हैं. If it's a BMV and completely ruined, and current market price is, I don't know, 120, and you are getting that deal for 70,000 pound, I would go for it. Maybe 60,000 pound, I would go for it. Maybe spend 20,000 pound on it, bump the price up, and even if prices drop 20-30%, you're still okay. You will not be going in negative equity, okay? Unless you have another plan for that property. If it's just rental property, then not a right time, guys. Landlords are already shitting their pants. Okay, it's not good time for landlords. Yeah, yeah, I just want to make my money back. No, that's not the right attitude, Hussein Muhammad. That's not the right. That money is gone. Okay, market is not your enemy. It's the easiest thing to do, blaming the market, blaming somebody else. Okay, market doesn't know you. Market doesn't know me. Market doesn't know anybody. All right, market hasn't taken any action against you. You pressed the button. You took the decision. You took the wrong decision. So the moment you start taking responsibility of your own actions, that is the moment things will change for you. Say that it was me who lost the money. It was me who bought at the wrong time. It was me who sold at the wrong time. It was me who made those wrong decisions. I'm going to fix those decisions and then start the process for fixing those decisions. You don't need a lot of money to make money from this market. As I said, with $1,000, you can start making some decent gains, accumulate them, compound them, keep growing, slow and steady. It's a process. It's not just a switch, guys. It's a process. You have to go through that process. Why wait for bull run? I don't get it. Why wait for bull run? Why can't you see movers like AM? Why can't you see movers like PHVS? Why can't you see those movers? Every single day you will get those movers. Capitalize on them. 5%, 10% move. I don't know, whichever you can capture. 10 cent, 20 cent, 30 cent. Capture those gains. Realize them. And then keep building on them. It's not as if you have to put your money in market and wait for miracle to happen. It doesn't work like that. If you expose yourself too much in the market, trust me, all these big YouTubers and TikTokers, they have ruined your life. And plus, you have ruined your life by taking action based on those headless chickens' information that they know something. They know shit. They know nothing. They make videos to make money from those videos. As simple as that. YouTube pays healthy amount of money. If a YouTuber, I know some YouTubers, some so-called financial advisors, yeah, they know shit. They started making YouTube videos 2 years ago. I saw them growing in front of my eyes, yeah. And when I used to look at their videos, I used to laugh. Honestly, I used to laugh. All right? Their accounts have grown from just 1,000 subscribers to 1 million subscribers. And they are making big amount of money by creating those videos. So, they have to create those videos. They have to keep you in the loop. But it's your decision. You make those decisions. You do due diligence. Don't just listen to any Tom, Dick and Harry on YouTube or TikTok, including myself, and just buy blindly. Put your money at risk. Don't do that. Don't do that. Invest in gold, silver. I don't think so. सर कौन सा ब्रोकर अच्छा है फॉरेक्स एंड स्टॉक के लिए? If your account is less than $25,000, Trade Zero. Trade Zero is the best one. What do you think about Shiba Inu? Hussein, Muhammad, as I mentioned earlier, I don't talk about shit. I do not talk about shit, guys. Yes, that's our target, Mansoor Bey. Apple, obviously that's the target. I have already mentioned. If you watch my previous live, which is already on Urdu YouTube channel, I have categorically mentioned that Apple should go to that. It's $110. If we calculate BTC ETH with data BNB 5 more complete, BNB 5 more complete that market cap, but where more crypto market cap? I don't know what. Harun bhai, I did not get your question. I did not get your question. Sorry. I am sorry. I did not understand your question. Brother, you were too hard. Enjoy the World Cup also. Yes, I was watching England versus France yesterday with my son. Yeah, I was supporting my team. Okay, Zafran Khan, I see markets in Forex. Ask Naveed bhai. Yeah, exactly, Hussein Muhammad. Exactly. How about options? Options are amazing as long as you know how to play them. If you understand options, you can make some hell lot of money. But 99% people lose money in options or future trading. Understand this fact, okay? What I would do, I would go longer expiry, closer strike price. Longer expiry, closer strike price. Probably 2-3 months expiry and closer strike price. All right, or maybe in the money. If you go in the money, that will be better and less risky. Bro, what's your opinion on Chainlink, Polkadot, XRP, Ethereum, Quant? Only three for me: XRP, Ethereum, Quant in this one, guys. I would stay away from Chainlink and Polkadot. I would. You don't have to. You don't have to follow me. Do your own maths. Do your own due diligence. Isn't investing in properties haram? Whoa. Isn't investing in properties haram? How is it haram? Riba. Where is riba? Please tell me, where is riba in property? Please define riba first. That is very important question. Where is riba? What is riba? That is very important question. You need to ask the so-called ulemas. What is riba? Okay, that's fine. That's not correct. Please correct me if I'm wrong. What is the percentage of traders who lose money in options? Please give me revolutionary. Please give us some insight. Do you want to come live and maybe enlighten some people? You have 0 follower and you're following 3,555 people. Wow. Anyways, please enlighten us. How many people do you think lose money? Maybe 60-40. Where did you get this figure? Please tell me. Where did you get this figure? I want you to search right now in Google. How many new traders? What is the percentage of new traders lose money in options and future trading? Please. Do you know every broker has a test you have to pass to enable options and futures trading? Do you know why is that? And every broker has displayed this warning that majority of traders lose money in options and spread bets and also these future contracts. You take out a mortgage. And what is mortgage? Please, first of all, you need to define riba. Okay? And then you need to define, is mortgage a loan in cash or you have an asset for it? Please, these are two different things, please. I don't want to get into this debate, but if you want an answer, true answer, intellectual answer, then you have to come out of the circle of those halwa muftis and muftis, especially those who can sell the fatwas for 50, 60 pound or 100 pound or 200 pound. You want a fatwa, you can get fatwa written down by a mufti, by an appointed mufti in Pakistan, yeah, or even in the UK, appointed mufti. Give them 200 pound, 300 pound, they will write anything for you. So don't rely on these fatwas, please. No, you're not taking the loan on the property, you're buying the property. Yeah? The bank is buying the property for you, right? They don't give you money. Right? You have to ask yourself a question, yeah? When Islamic finance, when Islam declares something haram, why does it declare haram? That is very important question. No mufti has basically addressed. Not that I know of anyone. Yeah. Why does Islam says riba? Riba is haram. Every time there is a word riba, the next is zulm, cruelty. Yeah. Understand this word now. But I don't want to, because I have YouTube people who will be watching this live, so I don't want to talk about that part. If you want more clarity on this issue, please get in touch with me and I can explain it to you in detail, inshallah. Okay? Yeah, and almost it's 50-50 chance. Chances are 50-50. That's another thing. I'm talking about what are the stats of people losing money in options and future contracts, CFDs especially. It's 99% people lose money, okay? You don't want to accept it, that's fine. Try options for a couple of days, please, for me. Try options. Revolution, I'll give you $500. Come, uh, try options for me, please. If you can make money from options, please, I'll give you. And with options, $500 is more than enough. If you want to make money with options, $500 is more than enough. You can make good money if you know how to. Hira Ali, 100% intact. Even strengthened now. It's even strengthened now. 10,000 or maybe sub 10,000. 10K is on the table now. Under 10K is on the table. I'm telling you. Option trading is halal, absolutely halal. As far as my research is concerned, I don't rely on muftis. If you want to rely on muftis, then please go ahead, talk to any local mufti, ask their fatwa, written fatwa. And chances are, 100% chances are that any local mufti wouldn't even understand this instrument. Okay? They will not understand the instrument. And when they don't understand it, they say it's haram. Like they said, camera is haram. They said currency is haram. Notes are haram because they have pictures. Okay? I don't know, man. Ignorance sometimes is bliss. Pretty much, yes. Pretty much. Forex funded account, if you can get Forex funded account, then go for it. Go for it. FTMO challenge, if you can do it, why not? If you don't have money to trade, go for it. If you have money, use your own money. That's what I believe. Alright, guys. My time's up. Yes. My time is up, guys, and look after yourself. Once again, the course is on offer. If you want to take benefit, go on website trading402.com/offer. It's on offer. If you want to contact me before you enroll on it, by all means do contact me and I will answer any question you may have. This will be one of the best spending you have ever done. If you bought an iPhone in the last 1 year, you bought a new car, you bought clothes worth £500-600, you went on holiday to spend £2,000-3,000, whatever you have done. But this spend of £599 will be best spent regardless. That is, I can assure you of that. Okay, 12 months down the line, 18 months down the line, you would be grateful that you have joined my course or any other course. I mean, obviously, if you go with Ross Cameron, is a $6,000 course, but it's entirely up to you. It's entirely up to you if you want to go ahead with it. But if you do want to benefit from it, visit website trading402.com/offer. Link is also in the bio. WhatsApp is on the same page. You can also WhatsApp me. There is on the website, there is WhatsApp logo right here. You can click that logo and you will be directly connected with me. That's all, guys. Look after yourself. I hope this live has helped you in many ways. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on YouTube. YouTube is Trading402. Go on YouTube, Trading402. Hit the subscribe button. You will see lots of videos there. And I will start posting more regularly. I have been posting some animated videos, but I will start posting my own videos where I'll be analyzing the market and all that. All those things. But I would say that, go check my YouTube channel. It's Trading402. Look after yourself, and I will see you tomorrow. I will come live tomorrow, probably 1 hour before market opens, UK time, 1:30. Thank you very much, guys. You take care. Stock market is safe. Both are safe as long as you know what you're doing. Both of them are equally safe and equally dangerous. Yeah, it really depends on you. If you have learned it from someone or somewhere, then they're equally safe and equally dangerous. It really depends on yourself. All right. Look after yourself, guys. Love you. Take care. Bye. यस वकार भाई, कोर्स अभी जो है ऑफर के ऊपर है £599 में। अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो वेबसाइट के ऊपर चले जाएं trading402.com/offer। ठीक है, और अगर आप मेरे साथ रब्ता करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे बायो में जाएं और कॉल का बटन बना हुआ है, कॉल के बटन के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे, आप डायरेक्टली मेरे साथ कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे। पहले प्लीज जरूर मेक श्योर करें कि व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेजें, एक ब्रीफ सा मैसेज भेजें कि किस चीज़ के बारे में आप सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं, और फिर मैं आपको कॉल बैक करूंगा डिस्कस करने के लिए आपके लिए क्या चीज़ सही है। लेकिन अगर आप डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, आप सीधा वेबसाइट के ऊपर जा सकते हैं trading402.com/offer। और अभी अगले बेसिकली ये वाली जो ऑफर थी ये टोटल 10 लोगों के लिए थी। 8 लोग ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं। एक बंदे के साथ मैं ऑलरेडी बात कर रहा हूं, आज उन्होंने इंक्वायरी की थी, हो सकता है कल तक वो ज्वाइन कर लें, या हो सकता है कल तक 10 की 10 स्लॉट्स चली जाए। ठीक है, तो जैसे ये 10 स्लॉट्स चली जाती हैं तो फिर ये वाली ऑफर खत्म हो जाएगी। कोर्स जो है ना 699 पे चला जाएगा, 50% डिस्काउंट की ऑफर जो है। ठीक है, तो अगर आप उससे पहले ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, बाय ऑल मीन्स trading402.com/offer। थैंक यू वेरी मच मेरे भाई। All right, guys. Thank you very much. You take care. Bye.